Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan is a joint venture between IOCL, NTPC, CIL, FCIL and HFCL. So they have released a couple of recruitment notification for executive in HURL. Friends, as you can see, there are multiple vacancy in finance for various high positions also, like Vice President Finance, but here the experience asked is 25 years, 12 years, etc. So in this video we will just put our focus only on the relevant vacancies where we can apply. So through the other finance vacancies which are having a higher experience, you can check them as per your convenience by downloading this notification. I will provide the notification link in the description. So if you see at serial number 16, there is a vacancy for officer. It's a L1 grade vacancy. Name of post is Officer Finance. Here the upper age limit is 30 years. There are total 6 vacancies. Here the qualification asked is you should be either a CA or CMA or having 2 years full-time regular MBA with specialization in finance. So basically MBA finance is asked with minimum 60% marks. And here they have specifically mentioned that candidate having a dual specialization or general MBA shall not be eligible to apply. So you need to be a MBA finance only, then only eligible. Dual degree holders are not eligible. Here the experience asked is 2 years post qualification experience in any of the area like preparation and finalization of accounts, audit, taxation, then treasury management, handling with banks and submission of required data to bank, vendor and tax payments, due diligence of proposals received from banks, etc. So basically the finance domain experience is asked here, and they have mentioned at the end experience required is 2 years, and candidate having additional professional qualification or experience in fertilizer sector shall be preferred. And apart from officer finance, there is a vacancy for manager finance also. Here the upper age limit is 40 years and there are total 4 vacancy. Here the qualification asked is same as that of officer finance, that you should be either a CA or CMA or 2-year MBA finance with 60% marks, then only eligible. Here experience asked is 12 years. Then there is a vacancy for chief manager finance. Upper age limit is 47 years. 3 vacancies are there. Same qualification as that of other 2 vacancies. Here the qualification asked is at least 19-year post qualification experience. So if you are meeting this experience criteria, then you can go for this vacancy. Else officer finance is the one where most of you all can apply for. Nature and period of engagement, friends, these are for regular position, that is for permanent post, but here you will be on probation period for 1 year you're joining, and after that you will be confirmed at the end of probation period. Now remuneration, here they are saying that they are offering one of the best industry compensation package, but if you see at the package, I don't think so that is at par with the industry standard. Here for officer finance with 2 years experience, they are offering at present 7 lakh, which is not as per the industry standard. Here you should be getting somewhere around 15 lakhs, but they are saying that this pay process is under revision process, so they may revise this package in future date. But at present, apart from 7 lakh, they will be paying 15% of CTC as interim relief to all the candidates, and once the revision take place, then you will get the revised pay scale, and candidate will be eligible for annual increment of 5% CTC. Now how to apply and all that thing, friends, you can apply by submitting online application through the website of the company. And selection process, how they will select, so they have not specifically mentioned that. They have said that based on the number of application received, they reserves the right to conduct interview or screen test or written test or trade test or skill test as they deemed fit. So if they receive large number of application, then they may conduct a written test, else they will directly call for the interview round. This will happen especially for the big positions like vice president, chief manager and all those positions. They will conduct the interview, and there are chances that for officer finance you may have a written test. And rest details are all mentioned here, you can check them in detail. Now important dates, friends, online application started from 15th January. Last date of submission of online application is 30th January 2024, and cutoff date for age and experience requirement is 30th January 2024. So last date is the cutoff date for meeting the age requirement as well as the experience requirement. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, age criteria and experience criteria, then you can give it a try if you are working in a private sector, because if you are already working in a PSU sector at this position and with this experience, you might be receiving higher CTC. So you may consider, if you want to switch your career from one PSU to another, you can consider consider this, else I don't think so you should switch into this unless you have a clear-cut idea about the compensation package that they will be offering. And to my friends who are working in a private sector, you should definitely give it a try and apply for this vacancy. If you're meeting the eligibility criteria, you will get an exposure in working in a PSU company and also help you to get another job in PSU based on the experience in this company. So do give it a try if meeting the eligibility criteria. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.